It's kind of you to listen to our presentation.
My name is DIệu M and my father.
My name is Thi Trúc. We are in class 11A6 of THANH High School.
I'm really happy that I can share with all of you about Daknong, where I was born and the nice place I'm living. Rejoicing city because Daknong is a highland area, so it has a lot of beautiful scenery, especially nice and special waterfalls.
Liêng Nung is one of the most charming waterfalls in Daknong that we have ever seen before. We are looking forward to seeing it. Can you tell me some information about Daknong geopark?
Daknong geopark covers 4,760 square kilometers of 5 districts and 1 town, including colonial cruises. That means that some Daknong district and Viên Địa town.
Daknong geopark, the land also including the three parts. The first is the rhapsody of fire and water. The second is the wind or sand cluster, and the last is the sound of the earth.
The two is featured is along the road. South of the earth begins in front Viên Địa and ends at Daknong Lake, which is a famous landscape in Daknong. There are amazing rivers and waterfalls, tropical evergreen forests, and the result of its diverse living fauna. That makes you exciting if you come here. Trúc, where is Liêng Nung Waterfall located?
From Viên Địa town going along the National Highway number 28 for about 12 kilometers to the Daknong province. We will see Liêng Nung Waterfall, pure stream originating from a small tributary river of the Nile River system. Liêng Nung is one of the wonderful natural landscapes and attractions of the Nile province. Can you give me more detail on the waterfall too?
Liêng Nung is the largest prime river forest tourist site in Daknong. Beside the largest waterfall falling from the height of 30 meters into the abyss and creating dazzlingly white water column. Liêng Nung Waterfall also has many small waterfalls flowing down the stream and creating dazzlingly white warm all year round, going along the trails to the top of the water. Tourists will be able to admire the majestic mountain and forest landscape. Listen to melodious bird song and the roars of the Liêng Nung that are gushing into the abyss.
At the foot of the waterfall is a vast body of water which stars even from the surface of water, reaching hundreds of streams flowing from many different directions. Coming to Liêng Nung to can take a rest, relax in the silence of the ancient with love for years. Who live near this waterfall too?
For generations, more people have been proud of the Liêng Nung ever arrived waterfall and its connection with the history of the local villager. Over Liêng Nung Waterfall originates from the trails has Daknong Lake on a barrage of the Nile River. The lake provides stable water source of agricultural production and for downstream rapids, forming the Liêng Nung Waterfall.
At this site, columnar basalt of 10 meters high create a majestic and interesting landscape. The basalt columns were formed by eruptive and dynamic geological activity with lava compressing brewing coils, reforming a beautiful Liêng Nung waterfall landscape.
The boundaries of different eruption sites are clearly visible as Liêng Nung Waterfall. They rose here dates to about 5.3 and 2.58 million years ago. Around the area of Liêng Nung Waterfall, there are also many sites of tectonic activity such as cracks and tectonic fault. I know that associated with the natural beauty of the Liêng Nung Waterfall is an interesting legendary story. Do you know that story?
Then, The legend had it that a long time ago there was a severe drought, which caused the wildlife to die of thirst. However, people, plants, and animals did find ways to keep alive thanks to the miraculous Liêng Nung Waterfall. The new weekly race around people living nearby rush to Liêng Nung for water.
Among the people coming here, there were some bad guys who noticed to take control of the waterfall. In order to protect the flow of respirators, water, Kael, a healthy young man in the village, decided to gather and let the local people to fight against the bad guy. The local so it turns that only Kael survived.
Refill the village at the water. Kael traveled to see his. He met a girl named Jose dying author of the roadside and brought her to life with Liêng Nung water. Then she became more healthy and beautiful than ever thanks to this magic sound of water. Since then, the couple decided to get married and refill the valley together.
Today, Liêng Nung Waterfall is the place which holds many the annual festival, attracting lots of visitors near and far.
Liêng Nung Waterfall is a stunning flight in Daknong, and you might be surprising when coming to visit here. It's a necessary to protect and preserve the scenery and beauty here to attract more visitors. I hope all you to come and see how beautiful it is.